So guys, related to Realtek audio issues, so check the install driver version. Okay, so right click to Windows icon, means start icon, go to device manager, extract sound video game controller, and then right click to update search automatically, and then close it. If it is not update, and if you showing some error, so right click to properties, and then click to driver, and then click rollback driver. If the device failed after updating the driver, roll back previously install the driver. Okay, and then click it. Next guys, download latest driver of Realtek. Okay, so you can enter your motherboard, your system name, okay, and then type audio driver, so you can install easily. Okay, otherwise you have to suppose install latest version. So again go to device manager, and then old driver you have to uninstall. Right click to property, then device, and then click to uninstall. Okay, uninstall, and then guys again click this one, scan and hardware changes. Okay, and then again it is show, so right click to update driver, and then close it. Open any browsers to type Google search box like that, and you can see here after that G5 G6 there, so you can enter versions generations G5 G6. Okay, then go to this URL support.hp.com, just right click to new tab, scroll down, select operating system Windows 11, 10, so all the installations process same. After that click to submit, again scroll down, so you can see here all driver. Then guys, audio driver, extract SD audio driver, click to download. This is start downloading, you can see here, wait few seconds. So after that open this setup, you click to resume, then guys click setup, which is downloaded, then click to yes, then next, I accept, next. After completed, then restart your system guys.